Friday night. She took my heart, then she took flight. So I went home with nothing to lose, except my old truck with those worn out shoes. She said she loved me, but she lied. Took my wallet for a joyride. But that old Chevy never walked away. It's still sitting there rusting to this day. She said she loved me, but she lied. Took my wallet for a joyride. But that old Chevy never walked away. It's still sitting there rusting to this day. Women will cheat and leave you broke, but my old truck ain't a joke. Never asks for money, never tells lies, just rolls on with those weary tires. Called the repo man, but he just laughed. Said love's a trap, but trucks they last. She might be gone, but let it be known, I got that Chevy and a heart of stone. Every dent tells a tale of woe, every scratch an escape from sorrow. She took off, now I'm high and dry, but my old pickup never says goodbye. You can keep your romance roses blue, I'll stick to engines and a permanent view. A greasy rag and a quart of oil, truck's my queen and I'm loyal. Every dent tells a tale of woe, every scratch an escape from sorrow. She took off, now I'm high and dry, but my old pickup never says goodbye. You can keep your romance roses blue, I'll stick to engines and a permanent view. A greasy rag and a quart of oil, truck's my queen and I'm loyal.